Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So check this out, y'all. It's obvious and it's clear that we got a new situation, right? I finally moved, so we got the new aesthetic we're gonna be working on. We're gonna be building it out, all right? So, but you already know, every single day, I'm still coming to you, no matter what's going on, right? Still gonna show up, and we're gonna get this work in. We're gonna get this wisdom in. We're gonna get this knowledge in, all right? So, with that being said, y'all, in today's video, what I want to talk about is how everything works together, right? The one best indicator, the one best trading strategy, right? The one best thing to pay attention to. Okay. Now, with that being said, what I want you guys to understand is nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to go talk to a licensed financial advisor. All right. Now, with that being said, y'all, we have a couple different things. First off, no one indicator, no one thing is going to make all of your dreams come true, right? No one thing. No one thing. Now, when I say that, what I mean is we got strat method, we got patterns, we got bull flags, we got bear flags, we got double bottoms, right? But then we also have liquidity. We got the strat method, right? So what I want to do is I want to talk about these things and help you understand how they all play factors. So first things first, I like to factor in areas of liquidity and then patterns and then strat method setups, right? Now in priority or in importance from the top to the bottom, I like to say that number one, it depends on what type of trade I'm taking. Is this a swing trade? Is this a multi-day, multi-week trade, or is this a scalp trade? So where do patterns fit into this? If I'm looking to swing trade something, I'm going to be looking to do what? See if I see a pattern on the daily time frame that supports it. And I also want to know where is the market structure in relevance to the pattern. Every pattern has a breakout point, right? So let's say you see a failed two down at a breakout level. That is beautiful because you have two things that are playing a factor into each of those things. I hope that's making sense. It's not about just, hey, I see a failed two down. I see a failed two up. I see a 3-bar. It's about understanding how this strat setup fits into the bigger picture. So looking at the patterns and understanding the patterns and where they're at on a daily if you're going to get into a swing trade or a day trade. Strat setups. Now, I do love strat setups, but just like anything else, it's not 100%. Does it increase the likelihood? Absolutely. But if you understand your areas of liquidity based on your strat setups, you're going to know what's going to happen. Right? So you want to understand your patterns, also your areas of liquidity with your strat setups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the charts and I'm going to share some setups or some ideas on what we've seen. Okay? So, perfect example. This is a perfect example right here. This is on 30-minute on IWM right now. As you can see right here, y'all, we have a bull flag, right? We have a bull flag up. And then we have a flag right here, right? Okay. So the strap method says, hey, it's on a 2 down. Take a put right here and come down based on the strap method alone. But when we look at it and we look at the pattern and the areas of liquidity, go to the hourly real quick. Look what we got on the hourly, y'all. A bearish 3 bar, right? But we have an area of liquidity here. So yes, on this 3 bar, bearish 3-2, we could see a 2 down if there was no liquidity here. But because we see liquidity right here, then we know that what's going to happen. Buyers are going to step in and it's going to push it up. And that's why it created a failed 2 down. So it became 2 down and then it failed to go lower and then it bounced up. This is why. Because it's not about just one thing. It's about multiple things that all work together, right? So your liquidity is going to, work together. And then you go back to the 30-minute and then we also have a bull flag. Now, every bull flag has a support level, right? And a resistance level. The resistance on a bull flag is a breakout. And then the support on a bull flag is like, that's the lowest it's going to go, right? So this area will be my support on this bull flag, right? This will be my support. So if I see a failed 2 down on the 30-minute plus the support of a bull flag, then I know that, hey, this is a safe place to enter. You can enter there, or you can say, once this 30-minute closes, I'm going to enter here and then boom. But you need to know that it could draw down here potentially before it goes up. But because it just came down, it's probably not going to go down lower. Now it's just consolidating in here and you're getting an early entry before the breakout even happens. And then it breaks out and then it goes higher. Right? That's how this game goes. So every bull flag has a support and a resistance. So you can say, hey, if I'm in puts and I see a bull flag, then I need to know where the support of the bull flag is at. Right? If we're right here in the middle of this range and we're in a bull flag, then I could go here. If we come down lower, I could add to it. And then when we break out, I can stay in the trade and then we can ride it up. But you see how I got the patterns, the strap method, and the liquidity? You go to the hourly. This liquidity saves you from entering in. This liquidity saves you from entering in puts. And you don't get cooked this way. Right? Let's go to another example on a daily. We go to the example on a daily time frame. Let's go back here. I remember this week. It was a historic week. Now, what do we have right here? We have a double bottom. Right? We got a double bottom right here. All right, cool. So yes, we have a double bottom, and then the neckline is right here. Perfect. And this is going to be your neckline. So, with that being said, at the second bottom, what do we have right here, y'all? We have a bullish 3 bar. Right? We have a bullish 3 bar on the second bottom of the double bottom on the daily time frame. This is a great confluence. So we came a little bit lower than the previous low on the double bottom. We got some liquidity. We have a bullish 3 bar and we're at the second bottom of a double bottom, and then look what happens, it goes up. Now right here, we have a failed 2 up, but the candle structure says bullish still. Candle structure says bullish, and then what happens? It ends up going up. Why? Because this is the neckline. It tested the neckline right here. It tested this neckline right here, failed 2 up. Some people may thought, oh, it was a red day, we're going to go down. No, it blasts off. Why? Because we are at the neckline, right? We closed above the neckline, we tested it, and now we continue to go higher because we are on a double bottom pattern. I hope this is making sense. So like I say, it does not matter the stock. It does not matter the stock. What matters is you being able to put everything together and say, okay, we have a pattern, we have market structure, we got candle anatomy, we got the strat method, and we got liquidity. If you start looking at things from that perspective, your whole life and your whole trading will change. And more so, the money that you're usually used to losing, you're going to make more and or you're going to lose less. Because trading is not only about making a lot of money, it's also about minimizing the losses that you do take via your position sizing, and also the amount of knowledge and understanding you have on the market. So once you understand these things, you are able to become more effective and efficient in how you approach the market. So I hope that video made sense. There's no one thing that will turn up your trading. When you work everything together and you understand how it complements each other, that's when you're going to take your life and your trading to the next level. All right. So like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right, y'all. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to highlight you guys on the next video. All y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.